Hi, Nanay and Tatay. Just wanted to say thank you for all the love and support that you continue to shower on me.
Thank you for always believing me. Words can't express how grateful I am.
Thank you, Mommy, for being able to make me reach where I am today.
I'm always grateful for the love and support that you've given me.
Hi, Daddy. I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me and for guiding me throughout the entire school year and for helping me make wiser decisions.
Thank you so much for all the things you've done for us, and I hope that my graduation makes you guys proud.
Thank you so much for your love, sacrifices, and guidance. It means the world.
Thank you for all the patience and the love that I get every day. I appreciate everything you do for me.
I want you to know that I truly appreciate the love and support you've given me from the very beginning until the end.
I want you to know that your support does not go unnoticed and how thankful I am about every opportunities that you've provided for me. That's all.
Thank you for supporting me in everything that I do, for being there for me, and for loving me unconditionally.
I would like to say that I love you and thank you for all the sacrifices you've made for me to make me a better man.
Thank you for the love and support throughout these years. This one is for you and for all the parents that stood by their children's dreams.
Ikaw ang ligaya na hulog ng langit, nagsisilbing laging gabay san man makarating. Sa higpit ng yakap mo, pinapawing takot, laging nariyan ka sa'king tabi. Dahil sa'yo, Inay, ang pangarap ko'y unti-unti ko nang nakakamit. Salamat sa'yo, Inay, ang pag-ibig mo'y walang ibang may kayang tumaik. Ikaw ang liwanag kahit noong paman. Salamat sa pangaral kung di paano na. Kahit anong pagsubok, buo saan man makarating.